Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and what better way to say I love you than with a truly personalized gift? Let's dive into our ultimate gift guide to make this Valentine's Day unforgettable. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more amazing gift ideas and inspiration. Ready? Let's go! First up, the lyrics poster. Imagine gifting a piece of art that's centered around your favorite song, whether it's the melody that played on your first date, the song you danced to at your wedding, or just a tune that holds a special place in your hearts. You can turn any song into a beautiful keepsake that tells your love story through music. Next, we have something truly cosmic. Our bracelets with star maps. These aren't just pieces of jewelry, they're a way to capture the universe's alignment during a special moment in your relationship. Whether it's the day you met, your first kiss, or your anniversary, these bracelets are a daily reminder of the stars aligning for your love. Perfect for both him and her, they're sentimental and stylish. Now, let's talk about the Where It All Began poster. This gift is perfect for marking the location where your love story started, whether it was a cozy cafe, a quiet park, or a bustling city. The personalized map pinpoints that magical place, letting you relive those memories every single day. Finally, if you want a gift that's truly out of this world, the Moonphase Necklace is a stunning choice. This necklace captures the moon phase from a date that's special to you, like the night you first said, "I love you," or the day you said, "I do." It's a romantic and unique way to carry a piece of your love story close to your heart. With these personalized gifts, you're not just giving a present, you're creating a lasting memory that your partner will treasure forever. Want even more gift ideas? Head to our website to explore all the incredible options we offer. But wait, let me show you how easy it is to customize your own gift. For this example, we'll use the Where We Met poster. Choose your style. Go for a classic map design or one with your favorite photo included. Select your colors. We've got tons of options to match any taste or decor. Enter your details, add the location of your special moment. Write a meaningful message, or pick from our preset title ideas. Pick your format. Whether it's a print, digital download, or framed version, we've got you covered. And that's it. You're done in under 5 minutes. If you're looking for the perfect gift, click the link in the description and start creating your personalized moment today. Thanks for watching.